Matthew 9, verse 16 and 17. No one sews a patch of unshrunk cloth on an old garment, for the patch will pull away from the garment, making the tear worse. Neither do people pour new wine into old wineskins, for if they do, the skins will burst, the wine will run out, and the wineskin will be ruined. No, they pour new wine into new wineskins, and both are preserved. Putting New Wine into Old Wineskins by Reverend Wayne Manning. You cannot put new ideas into old mindsets. You cannot get new results from old behaviors. When wine is new, it is in a state of fermentation. It bubbles and expands as the fermentation gases are released. A fresh, pliable wineskin can absorb such expansion and slowly age with the wine until the fermentation process is complete. To put fresh wineskin in an old wineskin, to put fresh wine into an old wineskin, however, is asking for trouble. The old wineskin has assumed a definite shape and is no longer pliable. It is fixed and somewhat brittle. The activity of new wine will stress it beyond its ability to yield, and so both the wine and the skins are lost. You can't put new ideas into old mindsets. You can't get new results from old behaviors. This is the heart of the new paradigm. We must change our thinking from the old wineskin of working only outside of us to affect change, to the new, fresh wineskin of inner work in a realm of cause. You can change your thinking now from the old to the new, from the impossible to the possible, from the limited to the unlimited. I am transformed by the renewing of my mind. I lovingly release old, unproductive thoughts and feelings. I joyfully welcome new ideas from the divine presence in me, and I am transformed.